Tech in 5.
Python in practice, master real-world projects in 5 minutes. Curious about how to enhance your Python applications with real-time image capture and the new GPT-4o's vision capability? Welcome back to another 5-minute Python tutorial. In our previous video, we explored how to create an interactive dashboard using Tkinter. Today, we're going to take it a step further by adding a feature from GPT-4o. Let's dive in. Previously, we were using the GPT-4 Turbo model to handle our requests. Now, OpenAI has released a new model, GPT-4o, which is faster and cheaper, and we can easily switch to it. This update allows us to leverage the improvements and vision capabilities of the GPT-4o model. Now let's enable our webcam to capture images that we can process using GPT-4o's vision capabilities. First, we initialize our webcam service class, where we find the correct webcam on our device. We're using the CV2 library from OpenCV to handle the webcam operations. In the Find Webcam Index method, we check up to 5 possible indices to find an available webcam using OpenCV's video capture method. This ensures we connect to the right device. Once we have the correct index, we can capture an image from the webcam using the Capture Image from Webcam method. We read a few frames to let the camera adjust because if we don't, the captured image might not have the best brightness or clarity, as the webcam might not be fully ready yet. Finally, the Convert Image to Base64 method uses PIL from the Pillow library to convert the captured image from a NumPy array to a Base64 string. This format is ideal for sending to our GPT-4o model for processing. Now that we've set up our webcam service, let's enhance our interactive dashboard by adding a checkbox. This checkbox will allow users to enable image capture so that when recording, images will also be captured from the webcam. First, we add webcam service in the initialize method. Next, we'll add an instance variable capture image var that will keep track of whether the checkbox is checked or not. Now, in the initialize UI method, we'll create a check button and pack it into our buttons frame. The variable parameter is set to link the checkbox to our instance variable. In the start recording method, we initialize Base64 images to store captured images and start the periodic capture if the checkbox is checked. The Capture Images Periodically method captures an image every second using the after method of Tkinter. It continues to capture images as long as recording is enabled and the checkbox is checked. Now, let's dive into our Process Audio method. This is where we process the recorded audio, convert it to text, and send the content to OpenAI's GPT-4o model. But instead of just sending the text, we now include the captured images if Base64 images is not none. For each Base64 encoded image, we create a URL and add it to the content. This way, GPT-4o can process both text and images together. Then, we send the combined content to OpenAI's GPT-4o model to get a response. This model can interpret both the text and the images we've provided. By adding these images into our request, we fully leverage GPT-4o's vision capabilities, making our application more interactive and powerful. Alright, now for the fun part. Let's see our enhanced interactive dashboard in action. I'll play an episode of The Big Bang Theory in front of my camera, and we'll let GPT-4o explain what's happening on screen.
The images you've uploaded are from the pilot episode, Season 1, Episode 1 of the television show The Big Bang Theory. These scenes are taking place in what appears to be a doctor's office or a clinic. Here's a breakdown of the scenes depicted. 1. First few images. It shows a person holding a phone watching the Bang Theory pilot episode. 2. Subsequent images. It shows characters entering what looks like a doctor's office waiting room.
As you can see, our dashboard is capturing images every second and sending them along with the audio to GPT-4o. His is a great way to enhance the interactivity and capabilities of your applications. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Thanks for watching and see you next time.
Stay tuned for more videos on Tech in 5.